is one of the few privately owned companies that has been around for close to 40 years now. He started a design process with a lens and started finding a material that was really lightweight and durable. The Danish Design is very minimalistic, very modern, but doesn't have a lot of extra hardware. So there's no screws, rivets, or welds in any of our frames. They're all very lightweight, flexible, and durable. There's no bushings or hardware or screws in there to loosen up, so it keeps the frame really lightweight on the face, but also minimalistic in design, and the no screw also allows for the flexibility and durability of the frame. Again, everything's done in-house. We make every frame in-house. They're all custom made, so it's 25 people touch every frame before it exits the door. So we have over 105 billion options in our collection. So it just goes to show the vast variety that we have for every single person. And once you wear one of the Lindberg frames, it's really difficult. Our customers are lifetime customers. It's very difficult to wear anything else because of the comfort that exists once you wear it. Artisan Optics has been carrying the line for several years now. They're a great partner of ours. They're the only one in Boise that do represent and show the Lindberg collection, and they do it in a great way, and have wonderful staff here who can educate and help people find the right fitting and colors and designs.